Hey Thunkers! In this tutorial we're going to talk about Admob and how you can place Admob components into your app. So if you don't know what an Admob component is, it's this awesome thing on Thunkable that we created where you can place ads into your app, and if you have lots of users you can make money by showing these ads in your app, and hopefully your users will click on them and also enjoy the things that you're building. If you would like to build apps with Admob on Thunkable, you can do that for free. However, you only are able to download and publish apps that have Admob if you have a Thunkable Pro account. So if you don't have a Thunkable Pro account, you will be able to test your apps with Admob components, but to publish and download any apps that you create on Thunkable with Admob, you have to have a Thunkable Pro account. So let's get started. The first Admob component that you can place inside is this guy over here. This is the Admob Banner. And so let's just go ahead and place that right over here. The Admob Banner Ad is just always going to be there on your app. So right over here, this will always be displayed. We recommend that you either put them at the top of the app or at the very bottom. That's the first way that you can incorporate ads into your app. The next one that we're going to talk about is Admob Interstitial. So I'm just going to drag and drop this component into the app over here. And let's go to the block section. So the way this app works, pretty simple. When you click the button, it's going to roll the dice. And when that happens, it's going to take the image and it's going to pull a random item from this list of images. So this list of images has dice 1, dice 2, dice 3, all the way to dice 6. Each of these just show different combinations of die. So dice 1 will just show 1, dice 5 will show 5. And every time you click the roll button, it's going to randomly generate one of these images. So a pretty cool way to do this is we can say whenever, I don't know, let's say a 6 is rolled, we want to show the user an ad. So how do we do this? So let's go into this, this function over here, to roll. So it's going to pick a random item from this list of images and set the picture to be that random item, and then it's going to play a sound. Next, we want it to say, let's say if the picture equals dice 6, then set, then call Admob Interstitial and show an ad. So let's do that. Okay, so we have if control over here, and then we want to get an equals block in the logic section. So we're going to say if the picture, so image 1, if image 1 equals, and then we can just copy and place this block over here. If image 1 equals dice 6, then we're going to, in Admob Interstitial 1, call show ad. Great. So this is all that it took to add Admob into this really simple dice game app. So now whenever you play this app or open up this app, it's going to show you a banner ad all the time. And when you roll a 6, it's going to show you an ad right away. So if you have any other questions about Admob, let us know. We're excited to be announcing a whole bunch of new components coming soon. So thanks for thunking.